Well, good morning, my fellow YouTubers. This is Gary in Arizona. What I wanted to talk to you about today was something that might affect you if you're putting solar panels on top of your RV or in your backyard or who knows what. Sorry about that, but what I've got here is a 100-watt Renogy solar panel. The one in the picture here that has the blue plastic on the corners. I just purchased 2 of these panels, and I'm a little concerned now that Renogy's quality is something happened in the manufacturing process. I'm not too happy about it because I live in Arizona and I know what the sunshine does to plastic. This panel right here I purchased a couple of years ago, and you notice the corners there is no plastic. Again, it's a 100-watt Renogy panel. I talked to them this morning, and on the online chat, and the person has no knowledge of it at all. So I did open a case number. I guess I will wait and see what the case number, who gets back to me on so on and so forth. But, doggone it, I've seen enough plastic in Arizona that failed. I mean, geez, you leave a plastic milk jug out in the sun for a week and it's brittle as all get up. So I was going to put these on the top of my RV, so I'm going to take a step back and not do that right now till I hear back from them. I've been pretty pleased with their quality all these years, but for plastic to be used, it's kind of a hard plastic, maybe I don't know what that is. They don't give us our what we make out of. I know this is aluminum. That could be Delron or something, but it looks like it's definitely a manufacturing thing. Let me see here. It goes all the way around to the corner there. I get you a picture of up in there maybe. There's some dimples here. So I'm guessing their manufacturing process, since there's dimples, this plastic piece probably has some fingers on it that go this way and then down that way. And they use some type of a jig to put it together, but I am not happy. 122 degrees and the sunshine could be, 130, during the summer. Direct sunlight on plastic is not good. Hell, direct sunlight on anything isn't good. Not even, it's probably shining on itself. I know this one that I'm showing you here from a while back that I bought, this isn't going to come apart. I'm worried this one here is going to come apart. Somebody made a bad decision, I'm thinking. Well, that's about all I got to say today. Hopefully this will help you. I will probably do a mini follow-up on this one here. I'll call this like a Renogy quality plastic something used, number 1, and I'll do the follow-up as a number 2 if you want to hear what I get back from their team. This is do your own experiment. Put some plastic out in the sunshine in Arizona. or set it on top of your RV while you're relaxing there with a cool one. And have fun today, okay? Let me see here. Oh, the Ocotillo is looking good. Let's give you a picture of that. That's the Ocotillo. Love that thing. Some horse heads down there and a squirrel. Anyway, this is Gary. What do they say on these videos? Like, share, come back. Who knows? Oh, subscribe. That's the other thing. I'm just a guy living in Arizona here with my wife. We're all retired and living the dream. So if you got any questions on this, feel free to give me a buzz, or post a comment about that. And like I said, I'll get back to y'all with their solution or their reasoning behind. Okay, thank you much. Have a great day. Thanks for looking.